credit card. In today's video, we are going to review BITS credit card. So let's talk about it. BITS credit card is a little different from a regular credit card. BITS does not use monthly payment, it takes weekly payments instead. At first, it feels strange, but it actually helps build your credit faster. You make small regular payments, keeping your balance low and payment history strong. Now, about the cost, BITS charges Euro 14 per month for a Euro 50 credit limit. Yeah, it's not cheap. You are basically paying for a credit building service. This card is not about rewards or cashback. It's designed to help you improve your credit score. The best way to use it: buy small things like coffee, groceries, or online items and pay them off right away. Over time, this shows lenders you are responsible and your card score can start improving. Customer service is really good, quick, and helpful. So, is it worth it? If you want to build or rebuild your credit and do not mind the monthly fee, it can definitely help. But if you are after rewards or a high credit limit, this card is not for you. It's simple, consistent, and focused on your credit journey. So, that's all about BITS credit card. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this helpful.